Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on the Dow Jones Industrial Average. Before I get started, I want to make note that the day is still going on. It is 3:09 p.m. Eastern Time, so we still got about 51 minutes left. And right now, the Dow is making a big move up 133 at the high of the day. You can see that it's right now just creeping above 10,000. It'll be interesting to see if it can close up here as the 10,000. I'm guessing is a psychological resistance level. Um, so either way, if we can get some momentum build up and close above there for the next few days, I think it's really going to take off. But it'll be very interesting to see, how we close for the day. Just a real quick look intraday. This is going to be over the daily chart, but you can see this morning, or was this yesterday? Okay, now the first 5 minutes here, big move up, and then as would be expected, got some consolidation for about half an hour or so, and then had the next break here, sent it up, and then rest of the day has just been pretty much consolidation during lunch hour and the slow part of the day. Just been channeling, going sideways, and finally now things are starting to wake up here and making a nice move, breaking out of the top side of this channel, which was over here right around I think 10,002, which was let's see, back around about 1 o'clock or so. But overall, good looking day, and I'll keep my eye on this while I do the rest of this video. But so far, so good, and hopefully we'll be able to close above there, just put in another new high there for the day. But let's look at the daily chart now. It's been a while since I did this one, and I had put out a video regarding last week, I think, the XHB, which is the home housing sector, saying it might be time to take profits because we had a negative divergence in that, but that negative divergence has been crushed on the XHB. And if here's the XHB, there's a trend line, and like I'd said, if we did bounce from this level because we had these areas over here, then forget about taking profits and so forth. And we did bounce. The trend line was broken, and as I noted, if this is gonna bounce, it's definitely gonna take the market up higher too with it, and that's exactly what's going on. So let's get back over to the Dow Jones, and just quick updates. These lines you see are what I drew the last time I did it, so I haven't touched any of these. And what this does is it really kind of shows the power of charts. By taking these previous highs and using these as a support. Not to mention we had the 50-day simple moving average, which is always a key support coming up. I mean, look right at that. It came down, it formed the hammer candle right around these two support areas, and then just boom. I mean, green day after green day. Now we're pushing above 10,000, and just good technical analysis, good strength in terms of bouncing off of these key moving averages, and overall it's looking very good. And it was one of those things where can't remember exactly when, but in the video I posed a question was, are we just going to start to consolidate now, go back and forth for the next few months, or are we going to start to put in higher highs? That question has officially been answered. We are putting in higher highs, and it's looking like we are now going to, if anything, be form a channel that's higher. Technical analysis 101 states resistances become supports when they are broken. This one has been broken. The price is pulled away from it quite a bit now. So this level right around, we'll call it 9,800, has become our new support level. As noted, this was our previous, resistance in terms of the top of this channel, but it's been shattered. So this becomes support. This remains support, obviously, and now we have the 50-day continuing to creep up and form, get higher and higher each day, which is good. If we take a look at just kind of the overall chart, you can see this, bull market of 2009 pretty much continues. Obviously some of the economic things, jobless claims and stuff like that, are still a little different. But as far as trading is concerned and as far as charts is concerned, I mean, you're looking at a bull market here in terms of 2009 since it bottomed out down here in March. So that's what's great about charts is the fundamentals might not make sense with what's going on, or there might be some disputes, but from a charting perspective, this is what's making people money. I mean, despite what people think, we're in a bull market. This chart has bull market written all over it. Um, just doing this, drawing this uptrend line. I mean, can't argue that. We came back. I thought we might even give it a test here, but that didn't even happen. It bounced off the 50-day, and the rest is history. So this year has been good. It's been hopefully profitable for people, especially the traders out there. It's been trending upwards, so it's one of those things where it's a good situation. Now, in terms of what are we looking for in the future, what I'm going to do is pull up the weekly chart real quick so I can figure out where some future resistance levels are. We obviously had 10,000, and then we had this high and low up here. Let's see, this low was at 10,300. This high was at 10,322. So we can just say 10,300 is looking to be the next resistance level. So that is actually my new price target for the markets now. We've gotten above this shorter term range, and this high over here was 9,800. So as I noted, this has become our new support level from this high. So now we're blue skies up until 10,300. So we could potentially have another 300-point move over the next couple of weeks, assuming this move keeps going and momentum and so forth stays strong. But that's going to be my price target now over the next month or so. Month and a half is going to be the 10,300 point. Maybe we'll get some consolidating where it pulls back somewhat, but if that's the case, that's fine. But we've cleared this resistance level now. We've turned it into a support, so it's onwards and upwards from the looks of things. So 10,300, that is the level to be looking for before maybe you want to enter in some short-term short positions or buy some puts or something like that for a short-term decline. But for now, I wouldn't be touching puts or anything like that with this strong move. Hopefully volume will be, if we can get a volume day like something over here, that'd be really good. But regardless, volume is shaping up to be very very good on the day. So we'll have to wait and see how it closes out. But before I end it, we're still at 10,005 right now. We're hanging above there. So we'll see if we can maintain that or not. But regardless, we've clearly pulled above this previous high, and hopefully we'll just keep pushing on upwards. So if you do have any other questions on the Dow Jones or any of the other markets, please shoot me a message, and I'll do my best to help you out. I also encourage you to check out bullmarketnewsletter.net. If you go there and sign up for the emailer, you'll be sent a free ebook via email, which has been getting very good reviews. And with a subscription, which is totally free, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, everything from penny stocks up to big boards. We've been doing real well, making people money. Lots of people are learning, so it's a good combination of education and profiting, and there's no cost associated with it, so it's a pretty good setup. So it's worth at least giving a try. One more time, this was the Dow Jones, and let's see what the rest of this week brings.